everyone. It's Amanda here, and I just want to say happy hump day. Today is Wednesday, August 14th. This is being recorded. I hope everyone can hear me. I'm here in Sunnyside, Jamaica, still on vacation. I will be here for the entire month, and I just wanted to give you guys some information about what's going on with Six Figure Stamp Club. For those that don't know, that's new to my channel, I work from home. I do direct mail marketing, and I make money by giving people an opportunity to work from home through direct mail. Okay, so what we do is we send out flyers and postcards about an opportunity, and in return, we get paid for it. And I've been doing this since 2016, and it has helped me to earn a full-time income, travel, and do the things that I would not be able to do if this wasn't available. Okay, so what I wanted to do was to just touch on Six Figure Stamp Club, what's been going on since I've been gone, and how we're going to fix it. So unfortunately, Six Figure Stamp Club is no longer, and I really don't know why. And it's so funny because I've been in direct mail marketing since 2016, and this is the first time I have seen anything like this with direct mail. Okay. And it's very unfortunate, but it has happened, and it's something that we have to deal with. So what's been going on with Six Figure Stamp Club? They have not been responding to any of my emails for the last, I want to say, week and a half, almost 2 weeks. Okay. So since I've been gone, which has been about approximately 2 weeks so far, I've been out of the country. I have been emailing them and receiving no response. And I have people that have joined this opportunity and have not gotten their flyer or have had access to their website. Okay. So what that means basically is that there's money that is being sent to the company to sign up and register, and in return, they're not getting anything. Okay. And after me being able to reach out to them, I haven't heard back anything as well. So therefore, I'm not going to continue to promote an opportunity that is not holding their end of the bargain. Okay. And it's very unfortunate because when things like this happen, even though I have no control over it, people join people, and they get very discouraged when things like this happen. Now, in the past, this has happened to me, not with direct mail marketing, but other online opportunities. And it just leaves a real bad taste in your mouth. So what I want people to understand is that this is not something that happens often with direct mail marketing. I'm in opportunities now with direct mail marketing that has been around for over 10 years, still going strong. And that's the reason why I looked at Six Figure Stamp Club, because I thought that they would be one of the long-lasting opportunities. I never in a million years would think that a direct mail marketing company like Six Figure Stamp Club would take people funds and not give them what they were promised. Okay. And I just want to say I'm sorry for those who have experienced this. So what I want to do, being the person that I am, because again, I don't want people to be discouraged. I don't want people to feel like, direct mail marketing doesn't work. I want people to reach out to me if you join Six Figure Stamp Club and you haven't heard back from the company or you're not making money. I do have a special offer for those people, okay? And all you have to do is reach out to me, and I will give you the information for that. I'm trying to, even though we can't recoup the money, I'm trying to find a way to make it right so that people can continue to move in a direction of financial freedom and being able to promote an opportunity that will be long lasting and that will allow them to start making money consistently. Okay. So again, I'm just sorry that this has happened, And I want to help people. I don't care what team you came from. If you haven't heard back from your sponsor, I have people telling me, my sponsor hasn't even reached out to me. I just need some help. My information is in the description below, so that you can reach out to me. Sending me a text message is the fastest way to reach me. It seems like with me being out of the country, I'm getting text messages faster than the phone calls, probably because, I'm just out of the country. Email is a great way to reach out to me. So those two ways be perfect. I normally respond within 24 to 48 hours, okay? So just reach out to me again. My information is in the description. I will help you to get started and to kind of revamp things and start with an opportunity that's going to give people the support, the community, and the money that they're looking for, okay? So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I will be coming back to you with information about where I'm heading, this opportunity that I'm in that is doing fantastic, great customer service support, and it's very promising, and I'm going to tell you guys the reason why, okay? So thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of the week, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Have a good night.